Did you know that adding an entire HVAC unit can add 5 to 7% of your home's value in a return on investment? So if you install a full-blown HVAC unit in your house and say your house is worth $200,000, your house actually just went up in value 5 to 7%. So 1% of $200,000 is $2,000. So 5% would be $10,000, 7% $14,000. So just a quick little math estimate there of how much your home and value goes up just by adding an HVAC. HVAC units, like doing the whole thing, can run like, I mean, 10 grand or more depending on the size of the unit that you want to do. But it's worth it whenever you're flipping houses, guys.